Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yannick. It's a French name. Some people they call me Yankees. Other people they call me Yankees. So any name you want to call me, you just call me. Okay, today is my first, not the first video that I want to share about repairing mobile, about the mobile repairing. So today I want just to tell you guys to follow my video. I want you to follow my video because I wanted to start to show you how to repair mobile, like iPhone as you see, yeah, you see, yeah, it's iPhone, Samsung, other mobile, other any model, Android phone and iPhone also. So I want to start for you to show you basic about the mobile repairing. How, when the mobile is off, which step follow it to repairing. So I want to enter in the Jeep. I want to do Jeep thing for you, that for you to know step by step when the mobile is off or any problem there's inside the mobile, for you how to diagnostic and how to repair. So I want you to just to follow. Today I'll just show you what I want I'll just show you how to something to know for my YouTube channel. So don't worry, next time I'm going to start how to diagnostic the mobile is off, so anything like that. So just follow my video, just share my video, even to subscribe in my video. So I want you to subscribe. So that's for today, that's only the video I want to do for you. So follow my video, subscribe my video, for you to don't miss anything about repairing. Don't worry, it will be the sweet thing. You will see any more thing, any good thing for you, how to repair the mobile. So thank you guys, please subscribe, share and like. That's it. Thank you. Anything you have here, anything you have.